Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav. Today I am going to show you how to make a hologram using a DC motor box. The materials needed are the DC motor box, pencil scale marker and a rough note. Step 1. Take the DC motor box, make it into two by cutting here and here, and trim these side parts here and here. Then draw a triangle. My measurement is 4.5. Keep the box like this and trace it using a marker. Remember, there should be two triangles in one side. You can take this as your example. After that, you will be getting four sides. Then use a glue or tape, anything, and stick all the four sides like this. I have used the tape, and you're done. This is your hologram. If it does not work or works, please don't forget to comment me.